Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a near protocol potential pump and massive dump once again. Let's dive in. Before I start and live the chart, I highly recommend you go and join my free Telegram channel where I share all information totally for free and faster than on YouTube. And I recommend you go in search section, just type near and find this big video. Or you can go on YouTube and double check this video. I made a post at 12 May and markets. I don't like this chart on near because a lot of altcoins already formed the low 2020. Near still so high, and I market this green zone. It was May 12, so this was this day here. I market we have to come back to test and close this huge gap. So after this video, you can go and double check. So here we pumped it here from 12 May. We just bounced to $1.72. And then, of course, based on fight around the Binance, we collapsed 33%. And finally, we close this gap and format yearly low. So we drop lower than December 2022. So what we can see now, so this gap is done. Why I don't like the chart now? Of course, the main targets for near, you remember this gap and this one. But I highly recommend you go and watch big video about near. But today we talk only about a local trades and why do I think we will dump really soon once again. So after 33% dump, here we already made a returns 39% gains. So it's pretty good, you know. So I think we can pump even to $1.77 or even higher to $2, and after that collapse so hard. And why? Because here, this news. Near Foundation partners with Alibaba Cloud to accelerate Web3 growth in Asia. Every single time when some coin made an announcement, we start a new partnership with Alibaba Cloud. Here is Elastos, or I don't know, FIFA, or Microsoft or Google Cloud. Every single time in the next few days, this coins drops so hard. 53%, 64, here's a 53, here's a 36, here's a 52, 50. You can go and double check this research. I made a post on Binance. Also, you can find this article in my Telegram channel. So what we can see now here, based on technical analysis, we got order flow. Everything looks good, you know, everything looks legit. So we can see something like this one. So we formed the historical, not historical, we formed the yearly low. We can pump, liquidate all these stop losses, In this area, I guess, many retail investors jump in near once again. No matter what happened with the Bitcoin, I think anyway, sooner or later, these guys will be wrecked. I guess we'll go and liquidate all this order flow, stop losses, so it's over than $1.71. We can close tiny gap here between $1.75 till $1.77. I add my alerts for potential to open short here at $1.77. Maybe I will add one more. So sooner or later, I guess we can see something like this, even going higher than $2.02. And then drop it down. How low we can drop? Look, we got 3 candles now in a row. We got it and formed the weekly gap. Weekly gap now is here. So between $1.27 and $1.35. So just imagine if, based on this partnership, by end of this week or maybe earlier, I think this week candle will close good, you know. So after this week, we can see something like this one, for example. And on the next week, I guess we'll come back and drop so hard again to $1.27. I can be wrong. Of course, I can be wrong. And it will be the drop around 28%. If we go higher to $2, because now, yes, with all this hype, you will see a lot of influencers shield this stuff. We can drop 37%. So just be careful. It's okay if you're just a trader, you know, you can catch the good long, right? And then open potential short. This is how it works. That's why, let's take a look on indicators also. Here's A to Z direction. On direction, we got a signal to buy here on daily time frame. June 21, we got a signal to buy confirmation. So after this call, we got here was the accumulation stage, So after this call, we got 25%. So still good. No signal to close position or something, So crypto flat direction still early. On a crypto flat direction on the weekly, we're just in the accumulation stage. And here we formed the huge divergence, yearly divergence. Here's a $2.86 to $1.25. This one, $1.20, even 22. And we formed a low, historical low, not historical, we formed a yearly low, $1.14. So here's a weekly divergence. It's good. But after this pump, now we came in the seller zone, in distribution area. We can see the pump and then dump again. So don't be trapped in this zone. So I warned you, because every single time, in 99 cases, all this news works in opposite way. And also on a daily time frame, market's mood here, we came into orange zone. So sooner or later we will see that here last time how the orange zone on the daily playing out. Here we came into green zone, orange zone. After orange zone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Yes, we traded in the red zone and we collapsed it down from the top. One drop 35% until 52. So just keep in mind, and you can track based on crypto flight market mode. So sooner or later, I think NEAR will drop once again. How low? I don't know. Maybe even forming the once again low. But I hope we will hold the line, and this $1.26 will be the main support for NEAR. And also, if we take a look on trade on, what do we got now? We got, yes, one more confirmation. So after this signal to sell, we got a recommendation close position, 100%, signal to buy. After this signal to buy, here we got 33. So you got one more signal to buy on trade on the daily time frame. You got a confirmation on the crypto flight direction. You can open position. So now no signal to sell or close position from this pump. So sooner or later, I guess we will see this money back again. After this money back, I think we will see some 1, 2, 3 signal to sell step by step. And what we can see on take profit indicator here, we can pump even to $2.32. So this one, yes, we can liquidate all these guys, this order flow. So don't rush open a short position, just take a look how it goes. So sooner or later, anyway, at $2.32, we will see that take profit line on the daily time frame. It's signal to out of this coin. Maybe with a weak candle, we can liquidate even $2.40. But after $2.40, it will be pretty hard to drop 47% to this weekly gap. So this is how it works, Fundamental price, real value of this coin, now it's $3.17. But I think we will see anyway, after this pump, we will see once again a big dump. Maybe we will just start forming the double bottom. I don't know. We will see. On the daily time frame, it looks, yes, something like this one, but not looks like a real double bottom, So guys, all zones, I warned you. I recommend you go and double check this article about how this partnership affect the coins, and I recommend you go and read once again this hype news, but just be careful with the upcoming pump and dump on NEAR. I hope you like this video, guys, about NEAR protocol. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.